Congratulations on the purchase of your new 2025 Hyundai. Not only do you have the security of America's best warranty, but you also have the convenience of the Hyundai Complimentary Maintenance Program. The program includes 4 complimentary services at your Hyundai dealership within the first 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. It is included with the purchase of any new 2025 model year Hyundai vehicle. Most Hyundai vehicles will have their scheduled services at 8,000, 16,000, 24,000, and 32,000 miles. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended service schedule for your vehicle and your vehicle usage. Based on your driving conditions, some vehicles may need to follow the severe maintenance schedule. This includes, but is not limited to, vehicles driving short distances repeatedly, driving in dusty conditions or sandy areas, or where corrosive materials are present, driving in mountainous areas, driving in extreme temperatures, or driving with extended periods of idling or low-speed operation. If you believe that your vehicle needs to follow the severe service schedule, please speak to your dealer about how Hyundai Complimentary Maintenance will work for you. This complimentary service includes the following basic maintenance items: oil changes using Hyundai recommended oil, oil filter changes using Hyundai genuine oil filters, tire rotation, and a multi-point inspection performed by Hyundai trained technicians. Your dealer may recommend additional maintenance items found during the multi-point inspection, such as normal wear and tear items like air filters, wiper blades, and brake linings, which are not covered by the Hyundai Complimentary Maintenance Program. All work is performed at Hyundai dealerships by certified Hyundai technicians using genuine Hyundai parts. This ensures you and your vehicle are receiving the best treatment possible. Hyundai wants to ensure that you keep your vehicle maintained on schedule. That's why you will be notified in multiple ways when it's time for your next recommended vehicle maintenance. You will find information on when your next maintenance is due in your monthly vehicle health report or your Hyundai service reminder emails. And if you have an account at myhyundai.com, you will be automatically notified when it's time for your complimentary maintenance. Make sure that your contact information is up to date to receive the most current vehicle and account information. Your maintenance schedule can also be found online at myhyundai.com and Hyundai's Maintenance Schedule Index, or you can refer to your printed owner's manual. And when it's time to schedule your service, you can do so through your monthly vehicle health report or service reminder emails, your My Hyundai account, by calling your dealer. You can find out more information on the Hyundai Complimentary Maintenance Program online at HyundaiUSA.com, as well as at your Hyundai dealership. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel, as well as My Hyundai.